guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can extrude your text in Canva. So go to apps, search Canva apps, and type in type extruder or type extrude. Select it and select the app, press open. And I'm just going to wait for it to load because it has to load some fonts here. I'm going to type in example. You can also select the font here if you'd like to. Let's say this one. Let's go back. And I'm going to select a color for the text and also the shadow. Then you can also adjust the length and you can also adjust the angle of the extrusion. I don't know what it's called. And you can also adjust the border width here if you'd like to, the line height. I don't really know what that does. And you can place it in the middle and stuff like that. And once you're done, you're just going to select add it to design. And I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger here. And voila, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!